episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Undercover Sacai and Nike LD Waffles, this time in the Midnight Spruce colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. So we are continuing on our 25 days of sneakers, and today is our lucky 10th countdown day. We've got a little cute Yoda there spreading some joy and lights. If you have not seen the past 9 shoes, be sure to update yourself and go back and check out those videos. See if I can get through the song here. It's just getting harder and harder by the day. All right, so let's try and attempt this song, see if we can get it right. Undercover Sacai Waffles, Sacai Cause, Blazers, Carpet Company, SBs, New Balance, Soleil, Bembries, Faded, Ozor, Yeezys, New Balance 993s, by Amélion Dor, all Mama Nair ones, Off-White, Rats 90s, Sacai as well as Cause Blazers, and a pair of Off-White Restos. That was a tongue twister. Almost didn't make it through there. So, today, as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Undercover Sacai Nike LD Waffles in this Midnight Spruce colorway, which I think is a nice kind of Christmassy tone, specifically if you're going to a holiday party this year. I think this is definitely a sneaker that you have to snag. So we're going to talk about the overview, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I style these, and conclude with how these are doing currently on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. This is the last and final Sacai LD Waffle that I have finally added to the collection. This is number 7. There are no more. So definitely go back, check out all of those Sacai LD Waffles that I have discussed and talked about. I'm probably going to be doing a full collection actually of all 7 of them, so you can see them all together and decide which one you think is your favorite out of the 7. I have had these for a little bit, but I am happy that I'm doing this now because I feel like this is a very Christmassy holiday colorway. So let's start doing the overview. On the front of the nylon here, you'll notice that this is a nice evergreen tone. On the front of the toe box, we have mixtures of that dark kind of charcoaly gray, and then on the front of the toe box, we've got the nice crisp black leather. Working our way up, we do have the dual laces that Sacai is known for, so this time in the red and cream colorway. If you're not feeling these laces, they do have a thinner lace and a thicker lace. This is a black lace with some gold tips in the ribbon material, and then we have a thinner lace here in this nice kind of bluish gray hue. So definitely some nice options. It is always nice to be able to mix and match if you want. We do have the dual tongues here and the dual color scheme. So we've got more of a greenish tone for the front as well as a black on the back, and then red and white accents for the Nike logo. And as far as the eyelets go, we do have a nice bluish gray tone for the leather, and underneath that some nice black suede. So let's take a look at those details. on to the side panels, we have the dual swoosh marks on top of this nice padded nylon material, not evergreen. We've got this nice light cream gray going on for the underlays in a suede texture, and on top of that we have the crisp white, not crisp white, but crisp leather in that red color scheme, which I think pops off quite nicely from that green. Working our way to the back of the shoe, we do have that Nike Sacai logo in that nice crisp black tone, and then black leather on the bottom. We've also got Sacai Undercover Nike on the bottom there. And then as we work our way around, the same materials on the opposite side and the dual Nike swooshes. On the insole, we do have Nike Sacai on a black insole, and the shoe is then completed with that cream midsole and the red outsole. Let's take a look at those details. All right, so moving on to size and fit, I would say stick true to size on these. Again, I am a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. I do have high arch, narrow feet, so if you do have a wider flat feet, this could differentiate the size that works best for you, but definitely stick true to size on this one. All right, now let's dive into styling. So this is definitely a fun colorway. We've got lots of pops of color on here. So I wanted to really keep it simple with a few of the outfits. So I pulled another piece from Melody Asani's new collection that just dropped. And this was a pair of black sweats. I think all black goes quite nicely with this. I had a black hoodie and a black pair of sweatpants. This is from her Infinite Light Being line, and I definitely felt super comfy in this, but also just wanted to make the shoe a statement piece, and it definitely stood out in that
hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down.
For the second look, I wore another outfit that was all black, just a little bit more of an upscale look that I feel like you could dress up, and that was all cashmere. So I wore a cashmere sweater with some nice kind of silver detailing on it, and then I wore some cashmere sweats just to match that top perfectly.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
And then for the last look, I decided to wear an Argyle printed cashmere sweater, and that sweater matched these tones to a T with reds and blacks and creams. And then I paired that with some nice, just baggy denim, or not denim, but baggy bluish cargo pants.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Try to reach it. Many of them have fell. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta...
Let me know in the 3 looks which one you would style style with, or which one you liked the most, or how would you style these?
Don't got no heart, I got an icebox. Brand new roller, swipe out the G-Shock. Moving slowly, I know the street hype. No more double, go ahead and detox. Came from the trenches, they ain't showing us no love. Thugging in the city, all we wanted was a hug, yeah. We on the block like every night to catch a buzz. Get the cash and tell my family out the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's so crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Pull up in that rain, see me ballin', yeah. 30 piece on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the ice on me is flawless. I've been busy and picking up when you callin'. Ain't on purpose, I hate the fact we ain't talking. With anything that you need, dog, I got you, I mean that. All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it hard for me to relax. To the hood, baby, ain't no way that I'ma lead that. My dogs need hope, step it up, I gotta be that. Cause life's all crazy.
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. These retailed at $170 and they're currently going between $180 to $215. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you are new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button and our merch store. This is Shay TV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.
And put those presents beneath the tree, cause baby, it's that time of year again. Christmas is here.